Hey, Missybeelondon here. It's the Birchbox unboxing for October 2018. The theme of the box is called Days Like These. Hey, the season's changing. Who knows why they call it Days Like These? But it's a very nice box anyway. So you can see I've opened the box now. Open up the leaflet. Oh yeah, Birchbox is a monthly beauty box, costs £10 per month for 5 or 6 items per month as well. Discount code is in the comment and description box. Just showing you what else is in the leaflet. Lets me know about the items inside the box anyway. So yeah, the first item is the SCHMIDT'S natural deodorant. This is full size. As you can see, it looks very big as well. This could be something I can use eventually. You know, I'm used to my certain type of roll-on antiperspirant. This is different, but you never know, it'll come in useful because it's natural. But yeah, this is called Daily Concept Multifunctional Charcoal Sponge, Soap Sponge, shall I say. Yeah, I want to open it, but it was hard to open, and so it's a soap on one side and it's a sponge on the other side. Very handy. Full size as well. This is a WINKY Luxe Strobing Balm in Radiant Pink. This is sample size. It's an okay color. It's not my color. The struggle of opening this, yeah, my nails are short, but I painted my nails today, so woohoo. Yeah, that's the color. Didn't want to try it out because it's not my color. I'll just give it away or something, I'm not sure. This is the AMIKA SOULFOOD Nourishing Mask. This is sample size, but it's a good size. I thought it was hand cream, but it is a face mask. No, it's for hair actually. This is the LUMENE hydration. Oh, look at that, I'm onto the thing already. Yeah, anyway, that was the LUMENE Hydration Recharge Overnight Cream. Now I'm just showing you another leaflet. Yeah, apologies for my lapse in speaking, but I'm going to keep this in anyway. This is the last item, the Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask. This is full size, as you can see, so I've got a lot of face masks to use, but this one looks very interesting. It is, I guess it works by heat because it says thermotherapy, shall I say. But yeah, there's 6 items in this box, but half are sample size and half is full size, or shall I say 3 is full size and 3 is sample size. So what do you think about this box? What is your favorite item in this box? I think for me it has to be the face mask, because you know, it's easy. You put it on your face, leave it on your face, take it off in 20 minutes. Simple. Yeah, I'm struggling here to get this off here so you can see it, but the struggle was real, so I'll just put it back in the box. Yeah, sorry about that. But what did you get in your box? Yeah, what did you think about this box? And thank you for watching. Hope to see you next month for November's unboxing. There was no theme for Halloween, but hey, they didn't want to do a theme, so be it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.